Hello guys, this is Shanti Creative Cat, and in this video I'll be showing you, well, not actually showing but explaining to you how to make this type of cushion. I've made this cushion at school in my DT lesson. Oopsie daisy. Okay, never mind, my bird is just going wild. I made this cushion in my DT lesson, how I just said. It took me about 3 to 4 weeks to do it because we had our lesson once a fortnight, which is a bit sad. So how did I make it? So first of all, you have to draw a picture on a paper with fabric paints. When I was doing the word Riki, so when you write the actual word, it has to be the other side. So R has to be here, I, K, and then I and exclamation mark, so it has to be the other way around. And the picture, for the picture I used turquoise, green, black. The black got a bit mixed up with the turquoise green, so it's a bit like green black colour. Vivid red or wine red for the beak, and golden yellow for the outside, for the background. Here I just used just random fabric, it's green. And then, so how you can see, you draw the picture first of all, then you put on the fabric and heat press it. We have like 2 heat presses at school. So, and then you have your picture of the fabric. It looks so good. So yeah. Oh, I got him back because he was just like flying around in the living room. I think he pretty good by it, So I got him back. No, I didn't. He's a bit sad. How can I say? He's a bit scared because he's not usually in his living room, and so let's go back to this thing. Okay, that was a bit bad. So after your pictures get printed out on the fabric, you have to pin around to be able to cut out the actual picture. Then you get the fabric, you pin it to the fabric, and then you cut it to make the circle. And then you start sewing with a sewing machine, and it came out very cool. It's very soft, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. So put like, subscribe to my channel, and see you all guys soon. Bye bye.